I am utilizing the Bid Integrations plugin to establish a connection between these two platforms. Let's go to Bid Integration Dashboard. Create integration. Search and select Kali Forms. Copy the webhook URL and fetch it. Now go to the Kali Forms dashboard and edit the form. Go to the setting and click on Webhook. Give here a name. Create. Paste the webhook URL in the payload URL. Map the respective fields. Save. Test. Test done. Now go to Bid Integrations dashboard, and here you can see the data is fetched successfully. Set actions. Search and select Zagomail. Give here a public API key. Please visit Zagomail API token. Generate new keys. Save it. Copy the public API key and paste it on the integration site. Authorize it. Authorization is successfully done. Next. Choose a list. Map the respective fields. Here are some advanced features in actions and conditional logic. You can use it for your requirement. Next. Finish and save it. Let's submit a form. Click on Send Message. Now go to the Zagomail site and navigate to the lists. Then click on the subscribers. Here you can see that the data came successfully to the Zagomail site. Thanks for watching.